Warp versus Replit developer platforms. Choosing the right platform can completely change how you build and deploy applications without wasting time on setup or slow workflows. We'll look at Warp and Replit, two popular options with distinct approaches. Warp and Replit are powerful developer platforms, but they serve different needs. Warp is a modern terminal focused on speed and collaboration, while Replit is a cloud-based IDE designed for instant coding and deployment. The core difference lies in their focus on terminal efficiency versus full development environments. Warp is a next-generation terminal designed to streamline command line work. It replaces traditional terminals with a GPU-accelerated interface that offers blazing fast performance and modern features like command search, workflows, and built-in collaboration. Users can share sessions and commands in real time, making teamwork seamless. Warp integrates with existing shells and supports scripting, but it is primarily focused on improving the terminal experience rather than providing a full coding environment. It excels for developers who rely heavily on the command line and want to boost productivity with enhanced visuals and collaboration tools. However, Warp requires some familiarity with terminal commands and does not replace an IDE or cloud environment. It's ideal for developers who want a powerful modern terminal that enhances daily workflows without switching contexts. More details can be found at Warp Dev. Replit is a cloud-based integrated development environment that allows developers to write, run, and deploy code instantly from any browser. It supports dozens of programming languages and provides a ready-to-use environment with no setup required. Replit features collaborative coding, real-time multiplayer editing, and built-in hosting, making it perfect for quick prototyping, learning, and team projects. Its user-friendly interface and extensive library of templates simplify starting new projects. While Replit offers a full development environment, it may have performance limits compared to local setups, especially for large or resource-intensive applications. It also depends on internet connectivity since everything runs in the cloud. Replit is best suited for developers who want fast access to coding environments, easy collaboration, and deployment without managing local infrastructure. Visit replit.com for more information. Warp and Replit serve different developer needs. Warp enhances the terminal experience with speed and collaboration, ideal for developers comfortable with command line tools who want to optimize workflows. Replit offers an all-in-one cloud IDE with instant setup and deployment, perfect for teams, learners, and rapid prototyping. Warp requires local setup and shell knowledge but delivers unmatched terminal responsiveness. Replit removes environment setup barriers but may face cloud performance constraints and requires internet access. For example, if you need to run complex shell scripts and collaborate in real time, Warp excels. If you want to start coding immediately in a shared environment with deployment built in, Replit is the better choice. The trade-off is between terminal power and full cloud IDE convenience. Choose Warp if you prioritize a fast, modern terminal with collaborative features and prefer working directly in your local environment. Opt for Replit if you want an instant, cloud-based coding environment that supports multiple languages and seamless team collaboration. Both platforms offer unique strengths, so select based on whether terminal efficiency or full cloud IDE access fits your development style best.